Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today, in this video, we're going to go over some of the plugins that are available in Workshop. So I have this Matterport Tour, and we're going to click on Edit here and go into Workshop, and then click on Plugins. And here we're going to show how to use the Minimap. So we're going to enable it, hit Save. As you can see, the Minimap is enabled. You can display it as a circle, a square, or no background. You can change the position of it, and you can change the zoom feature. So you can zoom out really far, or you can zoom in really far. You can also set north, so if you know that this is north, for example, you can hit that and it will update to show that on the Minimap. Once you have it set how you want, you just hit save and you're done. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.